Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of ear care with a revolutionary solution for earwax removal. Introducing the WEUANY Ear Wax Removal Kit, the best earwax removal syringe available in the market. Are you tired of dealing with uncomfortable earwax buildup? Say goodbye to expensive doctor visits and hello to hassle-free ear cleaning right in the comfort of your own home. The WEUANY Ear Wax Removal Kit is here to revolutionize the way you care for your ears. Let's take a closer look at what makes this kit stand out from the rest. First and foremost, safety is paramount when it comes to ear care. The WEUANY Ear Wax Removal Kit features a gentle irrigation system that effectively washes away wax, dirt, and debris without causing any harm to the delicate skin inside your ears. Worried about how to use it? Fear not. This kit comes with a comprehensive user manual that guides you through the process step by step. It's so simple, anyone can do it. One of the standout features of this kit is the inclusion of 30 disposable soft ear tips. These disposable tips ensure hygiene and prevent infections, making the system safe for the whole family to use. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear what some of our satisfied customers have to say about their experience with the WEUANY Ear Wax Removal Kit. With its thoughtful design, ease of use, and exceptional effectiveness, it's no wonder why the WEUANY Ear Wax Removal Kit is receiving rave reviews from customers all around the world. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you want to keep your ears clean and healthy without breaking the bank, be sure to check out the WEUANY Ear Wax Removal Kit. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest products. Until next time, happy shopping!